Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products that everyone loves. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon. These products have been carefully selected based on their popularity, customer reviews, and overall performance. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Our journey begins with a highly rated deflector that has earned rave reviews for its durability and sleek design. Customers praise its easy installation and effectiveness in providing optimal protection. Number 9. Next up, we have a shield that stands out for its innovative features and robust construction. This product is a favorite among buyers who seek both functionality and style. Number 8. This deflector has become a household name, thanks to its reliable performance and user-friendly design. Its versatility makes it a top choice for many. Number 7. Moving up the list, we encounter a shield that boasts advanced technology and exceptional build quality. It's no wonder this product is a bestseller. Number 6. This deflector combines elegance with efficiency, offering unparalleled protection while enhancing the look of your vehicle. Its positive reviews speak volumes about its quality. Number 5. Halfway through our countdown, we highlight a shield known for its superior craftsmanship and ease of use. Its popularity is well-deserved, making it a must-have for many. Number 4. This deflector is celebrated for its innovative design and remarkable durability. It's a top pick for those who value both aesthetics and performance. Number 3. As we near the top, we present a shield that excels in both form and function. Its high ratings and glowing reviews underscore its excellence. Number 2. Our runner-up is a deflector that offers exceptional protection and unmatched quality. Customers appreciate its reliability and stylish appearance. Number 1. And finally, the top spot goes to a shield that has set the standard for all others. Renowned for its premium features and outstanding performance, this product is a true bestseller on Amazon. Thank you for joining us on this exciting countdown of the best-selling deflectors and shields products. Be sure to check out these top-rated items on Amazon and see for yourself why they are so highly regarded. Until next time, happy shopping on Bestsellers Market. Introducing number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon, the window visor compatible with Ford Fiesta Sedan and Hatchback from 2009 to 2019. Yes, you heard that right. This versatile rain guard is a perfect fit for an entire decade of Fiesta models. Imagine cruising in your Fiesta, rain drizzling outside, but inside, pure comfort. With the Immortal Group window visors, you can keep your windows slightly open, enjoying that fresh air without worrying about rain or fog invading your space. It's not just about convenience, it's about making every drive more enjoyable. Crafted from premium, durable materials, these visors are built to last. They resist UV rays and scratches like a pro, maintaining their sleek appearance over time. And the best part? The installation is a breeze. No drilling, no special tools required. Just make sure to test fit before sticking them on with the included 3M tape and you're good to go. Pro tip: hold off on washing your car for the first 24 hours post-installation to ensure a firm attachment. But what about after-sales support? You're covered with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support. Any questions or concerns? The manufacturer promises prompt responses, ensuring your peace of mind throughout your ownership. So, elevate your driving experience with the window visor compatible with Ford Fiesta Sedan and Hatchback, 2009 to 2019. Whether it's a sunny day or a rainy night, you'll always be ready for the journey ahead. Sliding into the number 4 spot on our top 5 best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon is the window rain guards for the 2001 to 2007 Chevy Silverado and Sierra. This versatile product also fits the 2002 to 2006 Avalanche, Escalade, and Suburban, and the 2001 to 2006 Yukon XL. Specifically designed for crew cab models, this is the perfect blend of functionality and style. Picture this. You're driving your Silverado on a rainy day, windows slightly open, fresh air circulating through the cabin without a drop of rain inside. That's the magic of these window visors. They allow you to keep your windows cracked open, letting in the refreshing breeze while keeping out the elements. Crafted from tinted, reinforced acrylic, These visors are not just built to last, but designed to look good too. They're UV and scratch resistant, maintaining their sleek appearance through all kinds of weather. And the installation couldn't be simpler. With an outside mount and high viscosity tape, you can set them up in no time. For the best adhesion, a heat gun is recommended to preheat the surface and secure the edges post-installation. But if you prefer, professional installation is always an option. Backing up this fantastic product is a 1-year warranty and top-notch customer service. Got a question? Need support? The manufacturer promises a prompt response, ensuring your satisfaction from day one. So, for those driving a 2001 to 2007 Chevy Silverado or Sierra, or perhaps a 2002 to 2006 Avalanche, Escalade, Suburban, or Yukon XL, these window rain guards are a must-have. Enhance your driving experience with the perfect combination of protection and ventilation, making every journey more comfortable and enjoyable. Securing the number 3 spot in our top 5 best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon is the window visors for Chevrolet Express and GMC Savana, spanning model years from 1996 to 2023. This versatile rain guard also fits the GMC Topkick C4500 and C5500, as well as the Chevy Kodiak from 2003 to 2009. Designed specifically for front 2-door models, these visors are a game changer. Think about it. You're driving your Express van or Savana, and it starts to rain. No problem. With these visors, you can keep your windows slightly open, letting in the fresh air while keeping those annoying raindrops out. It's more than just comfort. It's about enhancing your driving experience by reducing interior wind noise and mirror fogging. Crafted from high-quality modified acrylic material, these visors are built to withstand the test of time. They're durable, resistant to cracking, breaking, or chipping, ensuring they look great and function perfectly for years to come. Installation is straightforward with the outside mount style. For the best results, use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat the mounting edge after applying the visors, especially in colder weather. And remember, always test fit the visors before taping them on to ensure a perfect match. Backing this product is a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The manufacturer strictly follows Amazon's return and refund policy, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Any questions? The manufacturer promises a prompt response, ensuring you're never left in the dark. So, if you're driving a Chevrolet Express or GMC Savana from 1996 to 2023, or a Topkick or Kodiak from 2003 to 2009, these window visors are an essential addition. Enhance your vehicle with this perfect blend of functionality and style, making every drive more enjoyable and comfortable. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon? Well, don't let the wind pass you by. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you're always shielded from missing out on the best deals. Next up, taking the number 2 spot in our top 5 best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon is the KPY window visor, compatible with the Honda Accord Coupe from 2008 to 2012. If you own one of these sleek, stylish vehicles, this product is an absolute must-have. Imagine this. You're driving your Honda Accord Coupe on a rainy day. The rain is pouring, but inside your car, it's all about comfort and fresh air. With the KPY window visors, you can keep your windows slightly open, letting in that refreshing breeze without letting in the rain. It's more than just convenience. It's a game changer for your driving experience. These visors are crafted from robust, enduring materials that stand the test of time. They resist UV rays and scratches, maintaining their pristine look and functionality. The inclusion of 3M tape ensures a steadfast and secure attachment, so you can drive with confidence, knowing your visors are firmly in place. Installation? It couldn't be easier. No drilling, no special tools required. Just make sure to test fit the visors before finalizing the attachment. And here's a tip. Refrain from washing your car within the initial 24 hours after installation to ensure a perfect bond. Backing this top-tier product is a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The manufacturer strictly adheres to Amazon's return and refund policy, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Any questions? They promise a prompt response, ensuring you're never left hanging. So, if you're driving a Honda Accord Coupe from 2008 to 2012, these KPY window visors are a perfect addition. Elevate your vehicle with this perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability, making every drive more comfortable and enjoyable. And now, claiming the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon is the window visors rain guards for the 1999 to 2016 Ford F250, F350, F450, and F550 Super Duty. Designed exclusively for the Super Crew cab, these rain guards by Kodiak are the ultimate blend of functionality, durability, and style. Envision this scenario. You're behind the wheel of your Ford Super Duty, a light rain begins to fall. No problem. With these window visors, you can keep your windows slightly open, allowing the refreshing breeze to flow in while keeping those pesky raindrops out. This isn't just about practicality, it's about enhancing your driving experience. Constructed from high-quality anti-shatter material, these visors are built to last. They excel in UV and scratch resistance, maintaining their sleek appearance even under harsh conditions. The 3M graded tape ensures a firm, secure attachment, giving you confidence on every drive. Installation is a breeze with the outside mount style. No drilling, no special hardware required. Just test fit the visors to ensure they're the right model, then tape them on. Pro tip: avoid washing your vehicle for the first 24 hours post-installation to ensure the best adhesion. Backing this premium product is a solid 1-year warranty and lifetime support. Have questions? Need assistance? The manufacturer promises a prompt reply, ensuring your satisfaction from start to finish. So if you're driving a Ford F250, F350, F450, or F550 Super Duty from 1999 to 2016, these Kodiak window visors are an essential addition. Elevate your vehicle's style and functionality, making every drive more enjoyable and comfortable. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling deflectors and shields on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.